Welcome to my channel. TalkTalk Wi-Fi Hub Setup Easy Installation Guide. Step 1. Unbox your TalkTalk Wi-Fi Hub. Remove the TalkTalk Wi-Fi Hub, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and DSL cable from the box. Make sure all the required accessories are included before you begin. Step 2. Connect the hub to the phone socket. Plug the DSL cable into the broadband port on the back of the Wi-Fi hub. Connect the other end to your phone socket or broadband filter. Step 3. Turn on the router. Connect the power adapter to the Wi-Fi hub and plug it into a power outlet. Press the power button if needed and wait for the router to start. Step 4. Wait for the lights to stabilize. Allow the hub a few minutes to connect. When the broadband light becomes solid, your internet connection is ready to use. Step 5. Connect your device. Use the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router label to connect your phone, laptop, or tablet to the Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Open the router settings, launch a web browser and enter the router's setup address, if needed. Log in using the default admin details provided on the router label. Step 7. Check your internet connection. Open a few websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If pages load correctly, your setup is complete. Step 8. Update your Wi-Fi settings. Change your Wi-Fi network name and create a strong password to improve security and make your network easier to recognize. Step 9. Place the hub in the best location. Keep the Wi-Fi hub in a central, open area away from thick walls, metal objects, and electronic devices for better wireless coverage. Step 10. Connect all your devices. Connect your smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, printers, and other devices to your new TalkTalk Wi-Fi network. Your setup is now complete and ready to use. Thanks for watching.